Okay. All right. What is up, kids? Today, we're doing something a little bit different. I could use a little air. Oh well. I ended up getting a nail in my tire on my XSR, and yeah, so nail in my tire. Nail in my XSR's tire. Freaking brand new tire, dude. Brand new tire. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. Alright, I'm gonna skip around here. So, you know, luckily I work for Cake Electric Motorcycles. This guy. So, here I am. I'm never without a bike, which is fantastic. Fantastic. Trying to listen to my directions as well. Hope I'm going the right direction. Whee! Okay. Dude, it's so cold today. So cold. Holy shnikes. Yeah, so this is our OSA version, OSA Flex. Very utilitarian workhorse of a bike. The only downside, really, the only downside, 32nd place, right here, okay. Is that the speed, you can't go over like 28, 30 miles an hour, so it's a moped, you know? I think it would be great for a lot of people who are just like doing, you know, basic commutes, like what I'm doing right now. Wait, where am I supposed to go? Queens Boulevard? Hold on, I gotta stop and check. I'm trying to listen, and I can't listen and talk at the same time. Okay, so what was I saying? This is a great commute bike for when you don't need to like be moving and shaking and driving like I do every day on my motorcycle. So this is a little commuter, but it's also got really great torque, which is helpful for pulling things. Oh, God bless America, it's freaking cold today. And we're off. Man, it is really, really cold today. Really cold. Holy shnikes. It's about 20 degrees right now. It's the first cold day, like really, truly cold day that I can remember. Yeah. But you see, this thing does pretty well, except for when you hit 28 miles an hour, and then it just The power goes, goodbye. Goodbye. Farewell. At Wiedersehen. At Wiedersehen. I don't know. Okay, I guess I'm just going forward. Alright. See, top speed already. Trying to get past this truck. Can I do it? I don't know. Very difficult. Very, very difficult. Red light. We're just gonna go through really quick. There we go. Okay. No problems. No problems. Oh man, it's so cold. Nice. Alright, we'll just stick to the bike lane now. But this thing has a great motor, great range as well. We were doing some test rides upstate at a resort. We were doing like an experiential ride, going to apple orchards and things like that for these guests at this resort. And dude, it was quite impressive. Quite impressive. Just how far we could go. We did about a 35 mile ride, and we would get back and we'd have at least half a battery left on these exact bikes. We used one of these to do them. Not bad for a little electric moped motorcycle thing. Alright. Monitor Street. There we go. I don't want to be stuck out here. There we go. Tucked in like a MotoGP rider on a bike that is not anywhere near a MotoGP bike. Ah, yes. This is a huge movie stage area. Stage 25. They shoot all kinds of things here. Actually, I think this is where they did some scenes for Titanic in this silly little area. Nice. Alright, I gotta get around these guys. Good. Cool. It's been a wild few weeks, my friends. A wild few weeks. With the move, with the renovations in the new place, it's been wild. It's been wild. And, you know, a lot of uncertainty, a lot of tears, a lot of, just a lot of life, you know. And one of my uncles passed away, and I had to go out to Arizona, and we had to unfortunately say goodbye to him. It was very hard. He was you know, everyone has like the fun uncle, you know, and he was definitely like the quintessential fun uncle. And he had such a great laugh, great personality. He was an amazing dude, really amazing dude. You know, he worked on satellites and things like that for communications and a Mars rover and things like that. He was really, really just an interesting guy, and you wouldn't think it when you talked to him, you know. He was just really, man, just a nice guy. Amazing guy. Okay. I am really stinking cold. When you're outside or out of the sunlight. Yikes. It's so cold. Yikes. Yikes, yikes, yikes. I'm gonna go. We'll just turn here. We are going to jump this light. Oh, come on, you asshole. All right, we're good. Oh, all right, kids. Yeah, so my uncle passed away, and yeah, man. I guess the silver lining is that it brought the entire family together. We did see each other, and it was really, really nice to see everyone and kind of share memories with everyone, because he was just an incredible uncle. Really cool guy. All right, guys. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Later.